Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through Yeedi M16 Infinity vacuum maintenance. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description, along with our favorite robot vacuums, wet dry vacuums, and cordless vacuums. And we keep track. We have daily vacuum deals on our website, so be sure to shop those vacuum deals to get the latest promo codes and discounts. So let's go ahead. Let's start with the top of this vacuum. What do you have to do here? Not much besides making sure this channel for the navigational bumper is free from any debris or obstructions, little rocks, sticks, things like that that might prevent it from working properly. And you can pop off the cover. You get access to the dustbin. This has your care and maintenance instructions directly on the dustbin itself. And you'll notice that we can wash and rinse everything that we see here. So wash and rinse this. You can wash and rinse everything here. We have our filter and pre-filter. This is replaceable, but you can also wash this. So you can get plenty of life out of this filter. And then when you feel like it's time to replace it, you can go ahead and do that. And then everything snaps right back in. And please, the key here is give it like 24 hours to dry so nothing's wet when you start using it again. Inside here, you can grab some compressed air or just a wipe if you notice any debris starting to accumulate. Let's go ahead, let's pop this back in. And then let's look at the side. We have some sensors on the side, so you can just wipe that down with the microfiber cloth or a Q-tip. Compressed air inside below that if you need to address anything where you see the LiDAR spinning around. Backside, important to note, we do not have a removable dirty water tank. Here's a look at the other side. We have another sensor to wipe down. And now we'll flip it over. You can see more sensors here to keep an eye on and wipe down as needed. You can cut away any hair that might be tangling or wrapped around the side brush. Phillips head screwdriver to remove it. We have our omnidirectional wheel. They don't reference if you can actually pop this out, so I'm always nervous when it's not clearly labeled if you can. I don't want to break anything. So you might be able to pry this away. I tried a little bit, but I did not have any luck, but I also don't have the right tools. But you might be able to pop just the wheel itself out if you need to clean anything in there. For the main brush, this has the conical design, so hopefully you don't notice any hair wrap, but if you do, you can just cut it away and wipe down in there. But this is what you want to see. This is the style. The hair wraps around, gets smaller and smaller, and then works its way back out. Very genius innovation there, and I'm so glad to see it on Yeedi products now. If you need to clean your wheels, just grab like an old toothbrush, and you can gently scrub those. And then down below here, this is the mop roller. It is removable. We have to retract it in the app. So go ahead, hit settings, down at the bottom, roller mop, release and retract. So it's upside down, so it's actually probably smart enough. Let's release it, and then it pops out. And now we can flip it over. And then we have this little cover to remove. We can wash and clean the scraper. And then on the side, we have a red release button there. You can see that. So we just press that, and then the whole thing comes out.
Roller mop removed.
It's removed. If you want to throw this in the washing machine, if you want to get a new one after a while, if it's worn out. And then in here, you can just kind of lift this up, and you can wipe down and clean the hair and the dirt that starts to accumulate here. So make sure you keep an eye on that. But very easy to get access to it. And then it just snaps right back on, and then you take your scraper, line that back up, and then you can flip it back around and press that again and have it go right back inside. Also worth mentioning, I totally forgot about this. You can just double tap the power button and it retracts the mop for you that way. So you can do it that way and then double tap again and it'll put it right back in. So you don't have to use the app if you don't want to. I totally forgot about that shortcut, but double tap, it comes out, double tap again, and it goes right back in. So overall, the M16 Infinity is very simple and straightforward to care for.